Hey guys, I'm Abigail and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute pineapple jar. The things you need are a jar, some paintbrushes, some paint in the colors green, black, and yellow, scissors, and you'll also need paper and any type of glue. I'm using hot glue. To start off, paint the inside of your jar with yellow paint. Paint the rim of your jar with green. Then add black diagonal lines going in both directions. Take your green paper and cut leaves and make sure they connect at the bottom. Make sure that the strip is the same size as the rim of the jar. If not, cut or add a little bit of paper. If it's the right size, glue the ends together. If you're using hot glue, add a little bit, that's all you will need, and also ask for adult supervision if you need it. Use your glue and put it at the bottom of the strip, all around. And carefully stick it to the top of the jar. You may need to add more glue if it doesn't stick the first time. Take the leaves and slightly bend them, not completely, but just a little, so that they have more of the actual pineapple leaf shape to them. And then you're done. Now you have a really cute pineapple